bowling at the bowling lanes. Drink our root beers, bowl up you frames. We're just ordinary average guys. Ordinary average guys. And every Saturday we work in the yard. Pick up the dog do, hope that it's hard. Take out the garbage and clean out the garage. I drive a Hyundai, my friend drives a Dodge. We're just ordinary average guys. Ordinary average guys.